This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Cute ranch-style home nestled in a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood. Terrific floor plan featuring spacious living with fireplace, open kitchen/dining with breakfast bar and isolated master bedroom with 2 closets. Updated bathroom vanities, windows and expanded patio. You will love the extra storage, office/play nook and good-sized bedrooms. The covered patio is perfect for your next summer barbecue. This location offers easy access to highways and shopping. Excellent home at an affordable price. Hurry! For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.